Porteus 2.5 marks a very interesting moment in the life of this distribution because it quietly crosses a line. It's no longer just a fast, live system you boot, test, and forget. With this release, Porteus starts to feel like something you could genuinely use every day without losing its original live-first philosophy. Let's start with the foundation. Porteus 2.5 moves to the Linux 6.18 kernel series. This matters more than it sounds. A newer kernel means better hardware detection right out of the box, especially for newer CPUs, GPUs, Wi-Fi adapters, and storage controllers. If you've ever booted a live system and watched your Wi-Fi adapter refuse to exist, this kernel update alone can feel like magic. Things simply work more often with less manual intervention. Now to the headline feature, and this one changes how you think about software on Porteus. Porteus 2.5 introduces Flatpak support. This is huge. Traditionally, Porteus relied heavily on its module system, which is powerful but niche. Flatpak opens the door to a massive ecosystem of modern desktop applications without breaking the live modular design. The clever part is how Porteus handles it. Flatpak does not dump its files into the system blindly. On first use, Porteus asks where Flatpak data should live, usually on your persistent storage. This keeps the core system clean and fast, while still giving you access to apps like browsers, editors, media tools, and utilities that stay updated independently of the base system. It's a very Porteus way of doing something mainstream. Desktop environments are another area where this release shines. Porteus 2.5 ships with a wide range of desktop editions, and they're not token inclusions. Each one feels properly integrated. The Cinnamon edition now uses Cinnamon 6.6, which gives a more refined, traditional desktop experience. It feels familiar, polished, and comfortable, especially for users coming from Windows or Linux Mint. Performance is solid, and the overall experience feels more mature than previous releases. Then there's Cosmic 1.0, which is particularly exciting. Cosmic represents a new generation of Linux desktop design, focused on efficiency, tiling workflows, and modern UI ideas. Seeing Cosmic officially available in Porteus is a strong signal that this distro is keeping one eye firmly on the future, not just on lightweight nostalgia. KDE Plasma, GNOME, XFCE, LXQT, Mate, and LXDE are all still here, updated and tuned. The point isn't just choice for the sake of choice. The point is that Porteus lets you pick how heavy or how minimal you want your live system to be without forcing compromises. Under the hood, Porteus 2.5 includes several important refinements that you may not notice immediately, but you'll feel over time. Boot handling has been improved, making startup behavior more predictable. NTFS support through the newer NTFS driver is more reliable, which matters if you're using Porteus alongside Windows partitions. Virtualization support has been improved as well, making it a better host for KVM-based workflows. Graphics support also sees quiet upgrades. NVIDIA users benefit from updated driver integration, and Vulkan-related fixes improve compatibility for applications that rely on modern graphics stacks. Even if you're not gaming, many creative and technical applications benefit from these changes. There are also quality-of-life fixes that speak to real-world use. Time zone handling has been cleaned up, cache handling is more robust, and Python tooling is better prepared out of the box. These aren't flashy features, but they reduce friction, which is exactly what a live system needs to feel trustworthy. What's important to understand is what Porteus 2.5 is not trying to do. It's not trying to replace traditional installers. It's not trying to become a bloated general-purpose distro. Instead, it's refining the idea that a live system can be fast, modular, persistent, and modern at the same time. With Flatpak support, updated desktops, and a modern kernel, Porteus 2.5 feels less like a demo environment and more like a portable workstation you can carry in your pocket. You boot it anywhere, on almost anything, and it feels ready to work. That's the real story of this release. Porteus 2.5 doesn't shout. It evolves quietly, thoughtfully, and confidently, proving that the live Linux model still has plenty of room to grow.